Hello guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll show you how to generate content ideas for presentations using Tome AI on your Windows PC, quick and easy. First, open your browser and go to Tome AI website. Log in or create an account if you don't have one. Next, start with a new story by clicking New Story. Instead of pasting content, begin by typing a prompt asking for ideas. For example, generate content ideas for a marketing presentation about social media trends. Then click Generate. Tome AI will produce a list of suggested topics, slide titles, and talking points that you can expand into a full presentations. Review the generated ideas and select the ones that best fit your goals. Then you can click on any idea to expand it into a slide with text and visuals. Next, customize the slides by editing text, adding images, or rearranging the order. This makes sure your presentation flows logically. When you're happy with your content, preview the presentation and export it as PDF, PowerPoint, or share the link. Remember, you have to be specific in your prompt. Include your target audience and presentation purpose for more relevant ideas. And that's that, guys. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.